Jez here for Nigezza.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK, and I've got a little 3D project for you today. So I made this cute little triangular box that's got this nice little belly band holding it together, and it opens up like that, and I've got a little Reese's cup in there. I bought a big bag of these when I was on holiday in the summer. I love these. I bought a big bag of Hershey nuggets as well. You might have seen some of my nugget projects, and I haven't yet used these, and I need to get them in projects so that I don't eat them because I love them. And so I haven't glued this, it just folds up like so, and then to hold it together I just made this lovely little wrap. This is last year's in colour 6x6 papers that we use. This is crushed curry. So I'm going to make it today in blueberry blushel using our currant stuff. So you need a 6x6 bit of DSP. I say these are from the In Colour Designer Series 6x6 papers, and you need a whole 6x6 sheet, and then to cover the wrap you just need a piece that's 4 inches by 1 7/8, and then I've got some whisper white, that's 2 inches by 7.5, and then we've got a couple little scraps for doing the sentiment on the top. So let's get started. So you got to decide which side you want on the outside and which side you want on the inside. I want gingham on the outside, and I'm going to put the reverse as the wrap. And so we're going to score at 2 inches on all 4 sides to begin with. And then on this, so we've got 3 lots of squares going on there that are 2 inches apart. Oops. And then on this middle one we're going to mark at 3 inches, just a little bit, at 3 inches up there, turn it round 180 degrees and do another little 3 inches there, just so you can see that for some extra scoring. So I'm going to need my scoring tool, and I'm going to need a pair of scissors. Do you know, I got ready and I thought, oh, I've got it all, cracked it, and I haven't at all. So we need a ruler now, and where we made that little mark, we want to go to the corner of the square that it's in up to that little mark, and that gives us our nice little shape. This is a stack of pads here, so it's quite so it's got some give in it. You need some give. So when I do it on my designing desk, I use our stamping mat. Really need to wear glasses because I can't see. Don't help that my eyes are really watering as well, so it's like I'm wearing really thick lens glasses and I can't see a thing. There we go. And down there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold and burnish first, so I can see these lines a bit better before I do the next bit. Nice little tabletop presents here for parties, or to just give a sweet treat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut, I'm using my long scissors, we're going to cut straight across there. You can do this on a trimmer if you want, doesn't have to be completely perfect, but we're just taking these corner bits off. There we go. I shall save those corner bits for something else. And then in order to get the box folding up, we're going to meet these two corner edges together and then give that a good crease. So it's just meeting those two corner edges together as if you're folding up to make a box. You can of course stick these if you want to, but I quite like it that it sort of folds out. It's a little bit more of a surprise, and it's quicker. And so if you were doing a children's party and making loads, you want quick, don't you? And it's less resources as well then, because you haven't got to worry about any adhesive. There we go. So those, I kind of like them so they're like folded towards, oops, no, they were right then, folded towards the bit that's not going to be folded. And then these are the edges where we scored, and so we want to score those now. Give it a good crease so that it gives it a nice finish. Looks like I slightly overscored on that line there. Be fine. Fold that in there. And the last one. There we go. Nice little things for baby showers as well. That's become a thing over here. And there we have it. So that's our basic box. See, we've got a nice little shape there. Do like that. I had a swap quite similar in terms of that sort of fold, much smaller though, from Corrie Crafts. My friend Karen made it, and quite cute. So now we need to do the belly band. So we've got our piece of Whisper White, and then all I did was I kind of butted it up to the bottom and then just sort of pinch it as it went round. And then take it off and make those creases a bit better. Make sure they're straight. And then just double check that that's all right. So that's lovely. So we've got the crease there, so this becomes the front. So we just want to use some fast fuse for quickness. You can use wet glue, tear and tape, something strong to hold it together. And then just stick that down. Any excess fast fuse just comes off nicely. So that's our little belly band there. And then we've got our little bit of DSP, and I'm going to use the triple banner punch. Quite like this because it's triangular, and I thought, oh, that'll be nice for carrying on that shape. And I'm going to line it up so that the edges are sort of even, because this is slightly smaller than the 2 inches. So you want to make sure that it is even. I've got 2 lots of triangles now, which I might use for something. And then I'm going to just, I'm going to go that way. I'm just going to fold this in half. And then that is just going over the top, simply like that, with a little bit of an edgy border there. So this can go on with snail. So I just put a bit at the top. Line it up at the top so that it is got a nice even border, and then let it fall, remembering to check that you've done it right, which I haven't. Oh my days, so glad I used snail. That's the bottom, that's the top. Oh dearie dearie me. That way. Do as I say, not as I do. There we go. Nobody is any the wiser. Might just take a little bit of adhesive remover there. There we go. All done. All lovely. I can't believe I did that. What a wally. So now we need to do the stamping, and I've got my stamp already marked up. So I'm using the Delightful Day, and I'm going to do Treats Made with Love, because this is made with love. I've got some blueberry blushing. We're just going to stamp that on there. Like so. Put that on the chamois, and then I'm going to use the got the 1 1/2 circle punch there, and I've got the 1 3/8. So I'm just going to cut this out with the 1 3/8. It's slightly bigger, so I'm just going to centre the words, and you get a bit of the hearts in. And then I'm actually not sure now if this scrap is big enough. Oh, it is just. I did chest it, but as you can see, I'm prone to mistakes. So we're going to stick those 2 together. And they mat nicely together. And then I'm going to get a bit of dimensional on the back to pop them up. And that's it. So quite a quick little treat there. That's been on about 14 minutes. That's not bad, is it? So let's check which is the front. That's the front. And just stick that on there. So cute little treat. I really like it in the blue, and it's nice with the white. That one I teamed up with Very Vanilla, even though there was white in it. I just thought it went better with the thing. So hope you like that. All the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk, and I will do inches and centimetres as well for you. Hope you like that. Hope you give it a try. Give me the thumbs up, like and subscribe. That should take you to the blog, and that can take you some more of my videos. Links to shops down below, also over on my blog. See you again soon. Bye.